This is a 2020 Hyundai Elantra battery replacement. Start off by popping the hood and then opening the secondary latch to the hood. Here you can see the battery is located on the right side of the engine, and we'll start by getting a 10mm socket to remove the positive and negative terminals. Just going to loosen these bolts, not to remove it completely. Remove the terminals by wiggling them loose. Here you're going to have the battery mounting clamp. We're going to remove that with a 12mm socket and a long extension. I'm going to raise up the handle for the battery, as well as move the positive terminal out of the way as the battery filter. Position the battery clamp holder into an upright position so that when you seat the battery in, it sits in the correct position. Not much room here, so it's kind of tight. When the battery is seated, make sure to push it in the forward position to get it fully seated, and then drop the clamp right into place and secure with the 12mm socket. Remove these plastic safety caps on the battery and mount the terminals onto the battery, tightening them with the 10mm socket. And that's it. Your battery has been replaced. Easy. Be sure to recycle your old battery.